5 marketing trends that actually work in 2025. Let's start with what no longer works. Funnels that feel like hostage situations, manufactured scarcity tactics everyone sees through, value stacks so bloated they look like a late night infomercial. And what's in? Trust, connection, treating people like actual humans. Crazy, right? If you're a freelancer, service provider, or small business owner who wants more short term clicks and actually wants to build something that's sustainable, then this is for you. Here are the 5 marketing shifts that are rewriting the rules this year in 2025. So let's start with number 5, context over content. Content now is super cheap. Anyone can crank out 100 posts with AI before breakfast or even lunch. And if everyone can, it's no longer something that makes you different. The leverage is the context, your perspective, your wins, and your screw ups, your taste, voice, and real world data. Instead of cranking out another 5 tips for better emails, show me the client that you rewrote an email for and doubled their response rate. Show me the split test results that surprised you. And I don't know, the behind the scenes of what didn't work and why. This is show, don't tell marketing. Proof always outforms platitudes. Number 4 is the messenger matters more than the message. Say that 3 times fast. Messages can be stolen. Frameworks can be copied, and AI can remix your copy in 5 seconds flat. But you can't be cloned yet. In 2025, people don't just want information. They want a human they can trust and like delivering it. That doesn't mean you have to become a crazy influencer who obsesses over vanity metrics. But if you are hiding behind a logo and faceless marketing, good luck. People buy from people, period. If you want clients to invest in you, they need to know who is the person behind the brand, who's the person behind the curtain. Number 3, conversations beat over automation. I am super into automation. I love tools that make businesses easier run, more effective. But when you replace every single interaction with bots, you drain the humanity and the trust out of your business. The fastest way to close a high ticket sale in 2025 is not a 97 slide webinar. It's not a funnel with 6 or 7 upsells. It's a simple conversation, a DM, a personalized voice note. Tech can support your business, but trust is built on one conversation at a time. Number 2, time saving over value stacking. The old playbook was, here's $17,000 worth of bonuses for a $297 course. Yeah, people aren't buying that crap anymore because more content isn't value. More content is overwhelm. Value in 2025 means shortcuts and clarity. So swipe files they can copy, templates they can plug into today, coaching that gives them a direct answer instead of another 10-hour video. Your buyers don't want stupid amounts of homework. They want results. And number 1 is trust equals currency. Attention gets you seen, but trust gets you paid. And right now, we're living through a trust recession, like in every area. Everyone's skeptical. Everyone assumes they're being sold snake oil. Everyone automatically thinks you're out to get them, which means only the brands that win are the ones that are doubling down on transparency. So that looks like delivering exactly what you promise, dropping fake scarcity tactics, and owning who creates your content, being honest when something didn't work. You can't automate trust. You can't outsource it to AI, and you definitely can't fake it. Trust is built in the micro moments. Your copy, your emails, your DMs, your client experiences. Miss those, and nothing else will really matter. Promise you. So here's the 2025 cheat sheet. No more hostage funnels, no more act now or lose it forever tricks. No more content for the sake of content. Do give them context driven insights, human messengers, real conversations, and time saving solutions. And above all, build trust. Trust is everything. These aren't trends, they're the baseline for building a business that people actually want to buy from. Now, which one of these for you hit the hardest? Like, which one do you think you're going to implement? Drop it below because a real human, yeah, me, will read it and respond. I'll see you next time. I'm Amanda with Cashflow Copy.